Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install Google Chrome latest stable version on Debian 13.0. First open the default browser that comes with the Debian, that is Firefox. Also verify whether we have the Google Chrome. See here we don't have Google Chrome, okay. Now go to Google and search for download Google Chrome. Then click on the fast and secure web browser. Okay, click on it. Then click on download Chrome. Then for Debian or Ubuntu type operating systems, we have to select this 64bit.deb. So select it and click on accept and install. See, wait a moment, download will be started. See, download started. Go to download. See here its size is 113 megabytes. Wait until download completes. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. Go to download CD, downloads ls. See here we have the Google Chrome stable current version .debian package. Okay, we have to install it. Sudo dpkg-i star.deb. Hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter. See, this user is not in sudo user, so switch to root account or the user which is having super privileges. Sudo is not required for root user. -i start.deb, or just give, we have only one package to install, so give Google. Then press the tab to autofill entire Debian package name. Hit enter. See, it is installing Google Chrome stable version 139. See, you have successfully installed. Now go to all applications, show apps again. See, here we have the Google Chrome. Open it. See, if you want to make Google Chrome as the default browser, you have to select the checkbox. And if you want to send automatically usage statistics and props reports to Google, you have to keep the checkboxes. If you don't want, unselect it. It is up to you. Then click on OK. Don't sign in. Got it. See, you got the Google Chrome web browser. Okay. ls, this file is not required anymore, so remove it. rm Google, press the tab to autofill entire file name. ls, we have cleared the space. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to install Google Chrome latest stable version on Debian Linux 13. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.